All right, well, we are continuing to monitor the situation that we have going over the northern mountains. Here's a look at the Taos webcam in HD. We put this into motion, and you'll notice quite a few clouds, but not very many showers coming out of these clouds, which is certainly something we could definitely use, especially over those fire zones over the northern mountains. And we do have a few showers trying to go over portions of the northern mountains, but they're not amounting to much in the way of precip. In fact, they're doing more harm than they are good because they are delivering some gusty winds in portions of the northern mountains, and we'll take a look at those numbers in just 1 second. Right now in the metro, 88 degrees, the current temperature with a south wind at 12 miles per hour, gusting at times up to 21 miles per hour. We are looking at temperatures quite warm across much of the state. We're into the 80s over the northern mountains, into the upper 90s to near 100 from Tucumcari down into the southern portion of the state. And the heat is going to continue. In fact, it's going to ramp up from here for tomorrow afternoon, where much of the southeastern part of the state will make it well into the triple digits. Here's a look at some of those wind gusts. 36-mile-per-hour winds in Las Vegas, 24 in Taos, 24 also for Los Alamos, 56 in Farmington, and we'll be continuing to deal with these winds at least through the next few hours, but they will start to come down through the overnight before starting to ramp back up once again for Tuesday. Again, Tuesday will actually be one of the better days this week to try to fight those flames up there, because we are looking at least a little bit better wind conditions. They're still going to be breezy in the afternoon, but by the time we reach Wednesday and Thursday, we're going to watch a backdoor cold front move into the northeastern part of the state. You can kind of see those winds starting to ramp up across the northeast by Wednesday evening, and those higher winds are going to sweep across the state into Thursday as that front barrels across the state, and it will actually give us a better chance of maybe picking up a few showers. So we will see a little bit more wind, but if we can get a little bit more in the way of shower activity, things will certainly be improving as far as the fire conditions go. You can see a few of those showers across the northern part of the state. They're actually on the bottom end of a storm system, which is well to our north, and as that storm system exits, that's going to cause that front to move into the state, and that will help give us a better chance at a little bit of moisture, but that won't be until the middle and latter part of the week. So for tomorrow, we will continue to deal with hot and dry conditions across much of the state, perhaps a spot dry storm across the northern mountains, and then here comes that front, and we're looking for a much better shot of getting a little bit of cooler air for the eastern part of the state, but more importantly, a little bit more moisture across the state as well. Southern Colorado, highs into the 80s for tomorrow, partly cloudy skies. Better chances maybe picking up a couple of storms Wednesday into Thursday before clearing out by the weekend. Over the northwest, temperatures here into the 80s and 90s for Tuesday afternoon, mostly sunny skies, and we stay mostly sunny through the end of the week and into the weekend. Over the southwest, lots of sunshine here, but it will be hot. Highs will be into the upper 90s for several locations. We stay in the low 90s in Silver City through the middle and latter part of the week, even reaching only the upper 80s Friday into Saturday. Over the southeast, mostly sunny skies, highs in the upper 90s to low hundreds. We cool off a little bit on Wednesday, but we really start to cool down behind that front by Thursday into the mid 80s, with a chance of a couple of storms Thursday into Friday. Over the northeast, mostly sunny skies, highs into the 80s and 90s, even reaching the triple digits in Tucumcari. Better chances of showers with cooler temperatures back into the low 70s by Thursday, and those showers continue through the end of the week. Over the northern mountains, spot storms possible, highs into the 70s and 80s. We'll be looking at better chances of showers through Thursday and Friday, potentially some wetting rains over the northern mountains, which will certainly help the situation up there. Over the east mountains, mostly sunny skies, highs into the mid to upper 80s. In the metro, we'll top out in the low 90s for tomorrow with mostly sunny skies, and we could pick up a couple of spot storms Thursday and the Friday as that front sweeps across, but we'll also see some cooler air, mid 80s for Thursday and Friday before rebounding into the weekend.
All right, thank you, John.